Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is me, Valster. I'm going to be showing you the new update. So first of all, we've got the new items. We've got the cardboard box and the stash grenade. But if you're probably wondering, Callum, what is this? Is it a type of new thing? It's a new map. Look, if you put your body inside, look, you'll teleport. Now we're here. Look, now the new items are here. I'm probably late to this. Yes, look, new item. Look, as you can see, it's a new item. Can you even hear me? Because I can't. Yeah, that's the new item. I'm going to be showing you what it does. How do I get out? I'm going to fall to my death. Bye bye, grappler. Now let's jump. Did I just miss that? Oh! Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, you're back. And what the new item does. This is the new item. Look, I'm gonna put you right here. When you throw this, it also floats. When you throw it on the ground, look, it makes a black hole. There we go. Look, it's whatever it sees, it just brings anything what's in the black hole. I mean, like outside. And we've also got the new gold OG Premium Bowl bundle and these gold shell set. Got Coco. I'm not saying all that. And we've got the new Wednesday thingy. Shelving set. This is what it looks like. Droot set. This is what it looks like. The Shanman set. That's what it looks like. And then the broccoli drip strip. That's what it looks like. And this is how much they cost. 2,025. 2,175. 2,325. 2,117.5. And we've also got the new the new bunny bundle, and it's coming away in 19 days. So you gotta get it, and then if you see that subscribe button, punch it, like go on, punch it. I mean, like, don't hate it, like subscribe, and that will be the end of the video. And if you want to see what my stash looks like, what? No, can't bring it into my stash. Oh no! If you can't, wait one second. No, it doesn't say nothing. Wait, give me my camera. Thank you. That'll be the end of the video. If you like that, like and subscribe. One sec. Bye. Whee!